Who declared that the introduction of Hindi over Tamil would deny Dravidians of their job opportunities? A. Maraimalai Adigal. B. Muvalur Rammeertham. C. Muthulakshmi Ammayar. D. Periyar. The correct answer is D. Periyar. What does linear momentum help to measure? A. The magnitude of displacement. B. The magnitude of force. C. The magnitude of speed. D. The magnitude of acceleration. The correct answer is B. The magnitude of force. What resource is typically listed at the end of a science unit for further information? A. Reference books and internet resources. B. Index of topics. C. Practice problems. D. Glossary of terms. The correct answer is A. Reference books and internet resources. Which product of alcohol oxidation with K2Cr2O7 causes the orange color to change to green? A. Chromic acid. B. Ethanoic acid. C. Cr3 plus ions. D. Potassium dichromate. The correct answer is C. Cr3 plus ions. Why is mechanical harvesting more suitable for large-sized farms? A. It allows for hand-pulling of grains. B. It makes the grains sweeter. C. It is less laborious and less time-consuming. D. It helps in removing all weeds. The correct answer is C. It is less laborious and less time-consuming. What type of judicial system does India possess? A. Fragmented and diverse. B. Decentralized and independent. C. Dual and separate. D. Single unified and integrated. The correct answer is D. Single unified and integrated. What is the approximate number of females per 1,000 males represented by the sex ratio? A. 500. B. Any number of females per 1,000 males. Circa 1,000. D. 750. The correct answer is B. Any number of females per 1,000 males. How can adulterated honey be identified? A. It settles to the bottom. B. It changes color. C. It produces a cracking sound. D. It becomes cloudy. The correct answer is C. It produces a cracking sound. What duration did the prosperity of Vijayanagar reportedly last? A. 200 years. B. 50 years. C. 100 years. D. 300 years. The correct answer is A. 200 years. What type of visual aids are suggested for a project on the Vietnam War? A. Diagrams and blueprints. B. An album or pictures. C. Graphs and statistics. D. Maps and charts. The correct answer is B. An album or pictures. In which year were the first 4 Japanese institutes of manufacturing, JIMS, started? A. 2017. Born in 2015. Circa 2018. D. 2016. The correct answer is A. 2017. The Earth's surface is described as having what variety of landforms? A. An infinite. B. A predictable. C. A consistent. D. A limited. The correct answer is A. An infinite. What is one purpose of wildlife sanctuaries and national parks? A. To increase trade in wild products. B. To encourage human habitation. C. To convert forests into deserts. D. To maintain biological diversity. The correct answer is D. To maintain biological diversity. Who is known as the father of paleontology? A. Charles Darwin. B. Louis Pasteur. C. Gregor Mendel. D. Leonardo da Vinci. The correct answer is D. Leonardo da Vinci. During which period did the domestication of animals and cultivation of crops begin? A. Neolithic period. B. Mesolithic period. C. Early historic. D. Iron Age. The correct answer is A. Neolithic period. Differences among people living in different parts of India can include their ways of what? A. Their favorite animal. B. Their way of life. C. Their preferred mode of transport. D. Their shoe size. The correct answer is B. Their way of life. What is one of the important plateaus found in the Central Plateaus region? A. The Deccan Plateau. B. The Colorado Plateau. C. The Tibetan Plateau. D. The Central Massif. The correct answer is D. The Central Massif. Where are bauxite deposits mainly found in the Salem district? A. Shervaroi Hills. B. Nilgiri Hills. C. Eastern Ghats. D. Western Ghats. The correct answer is A. Shervaroi Hills. What concept describes how societies determine and manage sex categories? A. Traits. B. Gender. C. Biology. D. Identity. The correct answer is B. Gender. What is the name of the app mentioned for exploring the universe? A. Galaxy Explorer. B. Stellarium. C. Universe Viewer. D. Starfinder. The correct answer is B. Stellarium. What came into circulation during this period due to economic developments? A. Barter system only. B. Gold ingots only. C. Coins and currency. D. Foreign currencies. The correct answer is C. Coins and currency. What was the coastal region called? A. Vanavar. B. Kijhar. C. Thennar. D. Marudham. The correct answer is D. Marudham. In which direction in the sky is the pole star typically observed? A. East. B. North. C. West. D. South. The correct answer is B. North. What characteristic of air near the ground makes it less dense in summer? A. Its increased pressure. B. Its higher moisture content. C. Its lower temperature. D. Its higher temperature. The correct answer is D. Its higher temperature. What concept, similar to Bhakti Marga, was preached by Sufism? A. Worldliness. B. Strict adherence to dogma. C. Philosophical debate. D. Mutual emotional attachment to God. The correct answer is D. Mutual emotional attachment to God. Which region became the center of activities for coffee plantation? A. Eastern India. B. Northern India. C. Western India. D. South India. The correct answer is D. South India. What body part is mentioned as a place that cannot be avoided and is used regularly, contributing to potential infections? A. The urethra. B. The kidneys. C. The stomach. D. The bladder. The correct answer is A. The urethra. What is a potential long-term concern related to the methods that improved food quantity? A. Increased food prices. B. Decreased crop diversity. C. Reduction in water usage. D. Debate by environmentalists. The correct answer is D. Debate by environmentalists. What is an example of a tagged site mentioned in the instructions? A. Browser. B. World Heritage Center. C. Mamallapuram. D. URL. The correct answer is C. Mamallapuram. Which term describes animals that do not possess a notochord? A. Invertebrates. B. Chordates. C. Vertebrates. D. Triploblastic animals. The correct answer is A. Invertebrates. How did you score?